Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we'll show you how to remove and replace AC compressor. Okay, right here on a Jetta or Rabbit MK5 with a 2.5 engine. Stay with us guys. That's the one we're showing you guys now right here. And AC compressor is on the very bottom. So what we'll need to do, jack the car up, okay, have it on a jack stand, and we're going to be able to access it from underneath. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that now. First thing, make sure that you don't have any pressure in the AC system. Vacuum that thing down, make sure you don't have any freon, otherwise it will spray in your eyes, can damage your eyes. It's pretty dangerous, so make sure you don't have any freon. So first we need a 15mm socket, and we're going to access the AC belt, okay, from right there. Okay, you can see that pulley. That's the one that we need to go. Once you install the socket on it, you're going to go clockwise. Okay, let me check again. Actually counterclockwise, yes. Okay, it releases the pressure of the belt. Okay, you can see, and we're going to pull it off the AC compressor. Okay, the first belt is out. It's a small belt. Let me show you right there. So let's go ahead now to the second one. Second one, you can either do it from the top or bottom, but top is more convenient. I'm going to use a 15mm box wrench. Okay, you can see, and this is the tensioner pulley right here. This one right there. So on this one, let me see which way we need it to go. Okay, we go clockwise again. You can see the belt is off, and we're going to let go now. Okay, it's still holding a little bit here on the alternator. Okay, now it's off all the way. We're going to pull the wrench out, and this is the belt guys. Okay, we'll have the diagram how to install that thing later because it's a mess. Okay, we're going to feed it through the AC down now. Okay, and we'll grab it from underneath. Okay, so now again, make sure you don't have any pressure in the AC system. We will need a 13mm socket, long socket, okay, and a short one as well. Will be really convenient. This is the deep socket, okay, and this is a normal socket right there. So this is guys the used compressor right here now. One bolt on top, okay, one on bottom, one on the side. So that's what we're doing now. We're going to disconnect the hoses later. Okay, so you might need to unhook the wire. We'll show you how to do that in a second. We just want one double wire for the clutch. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove the top one now. Okay, you can see that's the bolt. Okay, right there. This is the top bolt. So let's go ahead, get it loose. We'll recommend doing the top first, because the bottom is super easy and you can access it no problem, and it will hold the compressor in place while you're removing the top and the side bolt. Okay, we're about to pull the bolt out. Okay, you can see right there. It's gonna hit in the hose a little bit, but okay, if you move it, it's going to make it out of there. Next we'll remove the side bolt guys. This is a little bit hard to show you now, but you saw where it is on the compressor. So let's go ahead, remove that one with the deep socket now. Okay, that's how you access it right there. And just take that thing off as well. Okay, so this is the compressor underneath. Okay, and this is the side bolt. A little bit better view for you guys. Okay, and we'll show you actually the wire right here, how to disconnect it. Some have short wire, some have long, depending on the model, year, compressor and all that kind of stuff. Well, this one actually came loose all the way. Ours was. Okay, and we have only one more bolt right there. We still have the hoses attached, so we'll show you. We'll remove them once we pull it down. It'll be easier, because they're pretty long hoses. So now you need to hold it with one hand while you're removing the last bolt. You need to support it, you don't want it to drop, okay? And if you have too much weight on the last bolt, it's not going to be unscrewing easy. Okay, right there. So now we can gently pull it down and we'll disconnect the hoses. So we need a T45, I believe, yes. Torx 45. Okay, and oh, excuse me, make sure you don't have any pressure. You still might have a little bit in the compressor, so still stay on the side, because it might have a little bit left even if you vacuum the system down. Depending on temperature differences, you still might have a little bit. So we're going to remove the second one here. Okay, you can hear it a little bit. Okay, to get it off the thing because it was leaking a little bit. Okay, we pulled one out, now the second one there. They have seals, always inspect those seals because they go bad sometimes. Okay guys, and this is the, the old compressor out now. Okay, and we have the replacement one right here. Alright guys, we connected the hoses to the new compressor unit. Make sure you always wear gloves because that oil and freon is not good for you. And we're just going to install it now with the 3 bolts and install the belt later. Okay guys, so this is the best one we could find on the belt diagram that can demonstrate. This is the outside belt. The AC compressor goes to the crankshaft and to the tensioner pulley. But we first need to install the inner belt, okay, the one that moves the alternator and the water pump. So it's gonna go from the AC, okay, to that pulley, then alternator under the other pulley, okay, then water pump right here, and go back to the tensioner pulley and down to the AC. So we're going to install it now. Alright guys, we installed the inner belt already. Okay, you can see it's impossible to shoot while we're making that, it's so limited room. Okay, now we're going to do the outer belt, which is for the AC. You can see it goes to the crankshaft, AC compressor and underneath the tensioner pulley. So let's go ahead and install this one now. Okay, so we're going to install the last one on the AC compressor. Okay, you start it from the crankshaft pulley, you get it under the tensioner. It's very limited room, so it's kind of like fishing in the dark, guys. Trying to get the socket on the tensioner there. Okay, once we do that, we'll get back with you guys. Okay, so now we're just going to install it. Okay, right there on the AC. Make sure that all the grooves line up really good on both belts. Okay, we're gonna let go. Everything looks good. Don't forget to connect the wire for the clutch, and this will be the whole procedure, guys. All we need to do to recharge the system. We have the video on our channel. Please subscribe, guys. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.